First up, we have contestant number 52, Vaishnavi.
Come, Vaishnavi.
Well, hello again, universe. Tonight, I don't want my journey to feel like I did this alone, because I did this with everyone. The moment you make someone else feel included, that is what makes a true queen. I want young girls and boys to look at my smile and make them feel like they belong, they are seen, and that they matter. Because I don't want the crown to define me. I want to give the crown a purpose, because confidence is power, and power is impact. Tonight, if you crown me, you are not crowning the woman I am today, but I promise to make a difference tomorrow. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you, Vaishnavi.
Thank you, Vaishnavi, for representing yourself in this closing statement on time. From the black and gold of Vaishnavi, we go to the blue and white of Tejaswini. Please on stage, Tejaswini.
When I was young, my teacher told me that I would do nothing. And for ages, the little girl within me carried one question: am I enough? But my journey, especially at Miss Universe India, taught me that I have been asking the wrong question. Am I enough is not the question. I want everybody listening to me right now to ask yourself whether you are doing it for you or for someone else. Today, I stand on the stage for me, for myself, and for the younger version, and to tell her that look how far we have made. To every girl watching this right now, I wanted to be the voice for you, to uplift every girl who was once questioned on her worth. And tonight, I bring my strength, my story, and my purpose to Miss Universe India stage, and to tell everybody that you are not only enough, you're more than enough. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Tejaswini. Up next, we have contestant number 18, Kezia Liz Meadow.
Somewhere around the world, there's a little girl watching me right now, questioning whether she has the right to dream this big. I want her to look at me and realize that even the universe is not the limit. I believe that being able to dream audaciously is the biggest form of confidence, and that's exactly why I stand here today, the youngest contestant for Miss Universe India's title. I stand here because I dared to believe audaciously. I stand here with purpose, persistence, and perspective, and that is exactly why I should be your next Miss Universe India. I want all of you listening to my voice to understand, to dream audaciously, to believe recklessly, because I did, and now I stand here ready to make history. This is more than just a comeback, ladies and gentlemen. This is a reminder from the universe that abhi bhi picture baki hai, meri dost. Thank you.
Thank you, Kezia. And you know, I know I'm supposed to be an announcer, but I will take this opportunity to say, all of you are doing splendid. I mean, these are incredible closing statements in 40 seconds. We have 2 more to go. 2 more. Next up is the wondrous Miss Anushri Satavlekar. On stage, please. Mic is yours.
From a girl diagnosed with autism and ADHD to a woman who chose to turn her difference into her greatest strength. From journalism to social impact advocacy to modeling across borders, taking risks, I chose a life of courage, conviction, and curiosity. Last year, I packed my ambition in a suitcase, leaving all the stability behind of my corporate career behind abroad, with one dream, one vision, and one purpose in my heart to represent India and win Miss Universe for India. Today, I, Anushri Sathavlekar, carry the same fire in my soul, the passion in my heart, carrying it deep in my heart to be called India. With a fearless spirit, beyond limits, beyond labels, I stand here for every woman who wants to be heard, for their passions, for their voice. I stand here as your India. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Anushri. And we have our fifth contestant, Anubha Vashisht.
Please give it up for Anubha.
Namaskaram everyone. I have encountered situations in my life where I saw women shrinking themselves to survive, where I saw young girls begging their parents to let them study and not get them married at young age, where I saw women sacrificing their dreams and their ambitions and their identity just because they are married. Today, I am here because I want to show those families that what happens when you help a woman achieve her dreams. I want to show all those young women that you can achieve anything in your life irrespective of your age or marital status. I am here to create history on Universe stage. Thank you.
Thank you, Anubha. And what an incredible top 5 closing statement.
Indeed, they were incredible, but remember, they also had time pressure, right? Here, and they didn't know that